Have you ever wondered if the top-notch security you enjoy at Mocha comes at an extra cost? Let's dive in and find out. Mocha has consistently been praised for its unparalleled security measures. From its state-of-the-art surveillance systems to its highly trained security personnel, it's no wonder that many people consider it one of the safest communities in Nigeria. But does this level of security come with a price tag? Addressing the main question, the short answer is no. Mocha doesn't charge any additional fees for its security services. These are included as part of the monthly or annual maintenance fees that residents pay. This means that you can enjoy peace of mind without worrying about hidden costs or surprise charges. Diving deeper into security features, let's take a closer look at some of the specific security features that Mocha offers. Surveillance systems. Mocha is equipped with a network of high-definition CCTV cameras that are strategically placed throughout the community. These cameras provide 24/7 surveillance and are monitored by a dedicated team of security personnel. Access control. Mocha employs a strict access control system that ensures only authorized individuals can enter the community. This includes gated entrances, security checkpoints, and electronic access cards. Security patrols. A team of trained security guards conducts regular patrols throughout the community to deter crime and ensure the safety of residents. Emergency response. In case of an emergency, Mocha has a rapid response team that is ready to assist. This team is equipped with the necessary tools and training to handle various situations, such as medical emergencies, fires, and security breaches. Addressing potential concerns. While Mocha's security measures are highly effective, it's important to note that no community is completely immune to crime. However, Mocha's proactive approach to security has significantly reduced the risk of criminal activity. So, to answer your initial question, there are no additional fees associated with Mocha's security measures. These services are included as part of the maintenance fees that residents pay. By investing in robust security, Mocha has created a safe and welcoming environment for its residents. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.